When Redmond homeowners think about upgrading to energy-efficient windows, lower utility bills are usually the first benefit that comes to mind. While energy savings are certainly important, there's another advantage that often goes unnoticed until after installation: significant noise reduction and improved everyday comfort. In a city where traffic, construction, and active neighborhoods are common, energy-efficient windows do more than regulate temperature. They help create quieter, more peaceful living spaces. Here's how energy-efficient windows deliver hidden comfort benefits for Redmond homes. Multi-pane glass creates a powerful sound barrier. One of the biggest upgrades in energy-efficient windows is the use of double or triple pane glass. These multiple layers of glass act as barriers that interrupt sound waves before they reach the interior of the home. For Redmond homeowners, this means less traffic and street noise, reduced sound from nearby construction, a calmer indoor environment. Even moderate noise levels are noticeably softened with multi-pane windows. Insulated gas fills reduce vibration and echo between the panes of energy-efficient windows as an insulating gas, commonly argon or krypton. While these gases are known for improving thermal performance, they also play an important role in sound control. Gas-filled spaces slow the movement of sound waves, absorb vibrations, reduce echo inside rooms. This added layer of insulation contributes to a quieter and more comfortable home. Tight seals block noise leaks. Noise often enters a home through small gaps around windows rather than directly through the glass. Older windows may have worn seals that allow sound and air to slip through. Energy-efficient windows feature compression-style weather-stripping, precision-fitted frames, tight sash engagement. These seals close off pathways for noise, helping keep outside sounds where they belong. Frame materials that enhance acoustic comfort. The frame material of a window affects how sound travels. Energy-efficient windows often use vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames designed to minimize vibration. These materials absorb sound better than older metal frames, resist expansion and contraction, maintain consistent sealing over time. For Redmond homes, this results in better acoustic performance year after year. Quieter homes feel more comfortable. Overall noise has a major impact on how comfortable a home feels. Constant background sounds can interfere with sleep, focus, and relaxation, even if they aren't consciously noticed at first. Homeowners often report improved sleep quality, better concentration when working from home, a more relaxing atmosphere throughout the house. Energy-efficient windows support comfort in ways that go beyond temperature control. Reduced drafts improve thermal comfort. Energy-efficient windows don't just block sound, they also eliminate drafts that can make rooms feel uncomfortable. By reducing air leakage, homeowners enjoy fewer cold spots near windows, more consistent indoor temperatures, less reliance on heating and cooling systems. This balance of quiet and comfort enhances daily living. Enhanced comfort in busy neighborhoods. Redmond's growing neighborhoods mean more activity, traffic, and development. Energy-efficient windows help homeowners enjoy city life without bringing the noise indoors. This is especially valuable for homes near main roads, properties close to schools or commercial areas, families seeking peaceful indoor spaces. Quieter interiors make homes feel like a retreat from outside activity. Professional installation maximizes noise reduction. Even the best energy-efficient windows require proper installation to perform at their best. Professional installation ensures full sealing around the window frame, correct alignment of sashes, elimination of gaps that transmit sound. Proper installation is key to unlocking the full comfort benefits. Added value beyond energy savings, noise reduction and comfort improvements increase a home's appeal and long-term value. Buyers appreciate homes that feel quiet, efficient, and well insulated. Energy-efficient windows offer better living experiences, enhanced resale appeal, long-term satisfaction, comfort. You can hear and feel. Energy-efficient windows provide Redmond homeowners with more than just lower energy bills. Through advanced glass technology, tight seals, and durable frames, they significantly reduce noise and improve overall comfort. For homeowners seeking a quieter, more comfortable living environment, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart investment that delivers hidden benefits every day. making your home feel calmer, cozier, and truly your own.